Okay, today's work is going to be on rates. Now, what is a rate? A rate is anything that contains the word per or the sign forward slash in it. So it's like kilometers per hour or a rand per kilogram. Um, any kind of that uses a per in the middle because you're evaluating two different kinds of quantities. Like in this case, we had kilometers and then the hours taken to drive those kilometers. And in this case, we had, let's say, potatoes were 5 rand. So it was rands. And then per, how would you measure it? You would measure it how much it costs per kilogram. So if we have a rate like kilometers per hour or rand per kilogram, and we want to get the answer to find out what the value of the quantities will be. So let's say we had 5 rand per kilogram. We would multiply the two rates together to find the answer. So if we had, let's say, 10 kilograms of potatoes, what would be the cost, the total cost? So it would be 5 times 10 kilograms. The last one is always the one where you have to put in your values and then you multiply the two and then we will get like 50 rand for 10 kilograms of potato. Okay, so when we calculate rates, we take the values given and we divide them into each other so that we end up with something per 1 unit of another. So if we have kilometers per liter, it would be an amount of kilometers like 500 kilometers per 1 liter uh, of petrol. So the question would probably go like, okay, Peter drove 400 kilometers and he used 40 liters of petrol in this. How many kilometers per liter does the car use? So we would say, okay, 400 divided by 40 would give us 10 kilometers per liter. So then we have, okay, for every 1 liter, 1 unit, the last part, we could have driven 10 kilometers with that 1 liter. And that helps if we want to solve other questions. So let's say the question that would have followed were, how far could he have driven if he had 100 liters of petrol? So then, like we did before, we would say, okay, we have 100 liters, so we would multiply the unit, the 100 liters multiplied, how far can he come per liter? We could drive 10 kilometers per liter. So in total, he could have driven with 100 liters of petrol, he could have driven 1,000 kilometers. Okay, another example is why do we use rates? We use rates to compare different values to each other to see which one will give us the better option. Let's say car A and car B uses different rates of petrol. The one uses 10 kilometers on a liter, and the other car uses 12 kilometers on a liter. Then which one would be the best option to buy if you think about petrol? Then obviously the 12 kilometer per liter would be the better option because with 1 liter you will get 12 kilometers, where with the other car A, you would only get 10 kilometers. So other one would be option better. So let's try and do an example. Let's say we at two different stores we can buy potatoes. At the one store we could have buy cost 40 rand for 2 kilograms of potatoes. So let's work out the rate for that because we need 1 unit. So we would say 40 divided by 2, and that gives us 20 rand per kilogram of potatoes. Okay, and at store B it costs 60 rand for 5 kilograms. So we would say 60 divided by 5 gives us 12 rand per kilogram. Okay. So if you would go and buy a pack potatoes per kilogram at the store A or store B, which one would be the better option? Obviously, the cheaper one. So in this case, the 12 rand per kilogram would be the cheaper one, and you would save 8 rand per kilo as to when you have bought from shop A.